Oh, no, mom is.
What?
They built the same size. There you go.
Just made it too exact. That's why I wanted to use the fucking coupling on the other side. Give it some play.
Oh, it's not gonna go in. I see it trimmed all right here. Alright.
Take two.
Second time's a charm.
No,
Let's see.
third time.
That's fine, but we're gonna make it second. Don't jinx it. Yeah, third time.
What is it saying? Does it need to get trimmed more on that side?
Yeah, back here. Honestly, all around. Alright, third time's a charm. This should fit. If not, we'll retire. Get money. Twist it to the lines. Little more, little more. Right there. Oh, too much. Right there, right there, right there. No. Keep going on past. There. Keep going.
No, wrong.
No.
I'm over here.
That's fine. It doesn't have to be. That's just
Where's yours?
right there.
Yeah.
But no. But if anything, it's fine. So look, basically, I didn't record us installing it. We installed it last night. That's all there. The only thing we had to do besides shimming it, and then I'll show you guys right now. This 2x4, we ripped it down to 1 inch. The opening just wasn't big enough. And then here for the stops, these right here, we had to remove them and just slide them a 1/4 inch in. They didn't come from the factory the best, but the door closes nice. So it'll get caulked, primed, and painted. Morning, guys. And today's Monday. Ready for drywall. We wrapped up the insulation on the exterior wall. I believe it was R16. It might have been no, it's R13. Exterior wall. And then the ceiling. We still have these temporary pieces of drywall for our lighting. We'll remove those when we install the ceiling right now. And all our nail plate covers. We don't penetrate or poke any wires. Angel's running a Home Depot right now so we can get some longer ones to fill in all that. And then these are far enough to where a screw won't hit those. We have one coming the gas line. But yeah, everything's ready for drywall. More nail plates over there. camera's recording that way. Hold it right there and I'll screw it. I should do this side first. It's like we gotta do both at the same time. So put like a, oh yeah. See that corner? That's lifting? Mm-hmm. Can you go higher? Because I'm hitting
So as you guys saw in that last clip, we hung up all of the drywall, fastened it all. Isaac's mixing the mud to start taping, while I'm in the shower area framing out for the bench that's going to be in the shower. Alright guys, so as you guys can see in this clip, Isaac is going around the bathroom filling in the joints with the first coat of mud. Just to educate you guys a little bit on how mudding works, you fill in the joint with the fiber mesh tape. The mesh tape has like a little stickiness to it, so it sticks on pretty well. And then you just go with your first coat of mud and you just fill in that joint. And you want to fill in the majority of that joint with your first coat. After it dries up and it sets up, you basically go with your second coat and you just feather it out. So like right here, you can tell that this was the next day. The first coat had dried up and Isaac's basically applying the second coat, feathering that all out. And then after your second coat, you just repeat the same process by doing that with the third coat. And at the end, you should just sand like very minimal. And that's pretty much it when it comes to mudding.
Alright guys, so we sanded all the walls, ceiling, all the joints, corners, everything's sanded. We also got the vacuum. We sucked up all the dust. So we have the shower area prepped with plastic. And everything's ready for texture right now. We're going to be doing a light orange peel texture. So you guys will see that get sprayed in right now. And obviously it'll just be on the drywall. So the walls and ceiling. That's how it looks. We have this right here. peeled a little bit, but it'll get covered. So we covered up that. That's all extra, honestly, and you can spray all that. But we just like to keep it clean, so covered that up. The holes for the reset lights we removed. The fan we taped up. And yeah, we have plenty of light. Alright, so we're all prepped up, everything's masked off. We got our headlamp on just so we can see where we're spraying. And then in this next clip, I'm gonna basically explain how we got the mud ready to spray for the texture. And yeah, that's basically it. Alright, so Angel's mixing up the mud right now for the texture. We're using 90-minute hot mud. The drywall is brand new, so it's gonna absorb really fast and dry quick. This 90-minute, it just gives us more working time so that we can get this done today. We want to sand and primer it. So usually you'll use the green topping, which is that one right there. But like I said, that one takes like 24 hours to dry. Texture does dry up really fast, but we've finished up that box. So yeah, and then with texture, you want to have it very soupy. It's gonna, if you have it thicker, it doesn't spray outside the gun as easily. So that's how that is. Get more mud in there? Yeah. Good. I think that's it. Looks good. Ahí con eso.
So in this clip, as you guys can see, Isaac is rolling the first coat of primer. We ended up doing 2 coats. So that's what we're doing here. We took out the plates and everything, huh? The outlets?
Yeah. But it's fine, just go around it like. Alright, so this is 2 coats of primer. I got all the ceiling and walls. We're gonna do the door outside during these next couple of days, but we just wanted to get the walls up so we can start tiling. Tomorrow we're gonna paint with the bathroom paint. It's called Classic Silver, I believe. I gotta check. But that's how I look right now. You can see the light orange peel texture. The color that we're painting with is called Silver City. It's like a light gray.
Well, here goes the paint, as you guys can see. It's a really nice light gray color. It was a nice choice that the client chose. It contrasted really well with the tile that we installed. It was very similar to the color of the vanity, and it just went really nice with all of the fixtures and the recessed lights and all of that. So to sort of wrap up this video, you guys got to see us hang up drywall, mud, tape, and texture the walls and ceilings. You got to see us primer the walls and ceilings and roll on the paint. Overall, it was a really nice color. And so that pretty much wraps up the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.